Have you ever wondered what secrets lie within the depths of the Amazon forest? Well, let's embark on a journey together and delve into the mysterious beauty of this vast wilderness. The Amazon forest, my friends, is not just a forest. It's an enormous realm of green, a tapestry woven with countless species of flora and fauna. Imagine a landmass so huge that it spans across 9 countries in South America. It's like a massive green ocean that stretches from the Atlantic Ocean in the east to the Andean Mountains in the west. It's so vast that it's almost impossible to fully comprehend its size. But it's not just its size that's impressive. The Amazon forest plays a pivotal role in our world's ecosystem. Often referred to as the lungs of the earth, it breathes in carbon dioxide and breathes out oxygen, providing a significant portion of the world's oxygen supply. It's a global climate regulator, a priceless treasure that we simply cannot afford to lose. And within this vast green sea there is an astonishing array of life. It's believed that the Amazon forest is home to over 400 billion individual trees, representing over 16,000 species. And that's just the trees. The forest is teeming with creatures big and small, from the majestic jaguar to the tiny poison dart frog, each playing their unique role in the ecosystem. Moreover, the Amazon forest is not just a haven for wildlife. It's also home to over 400 indigenous tribes, each with their unique cultures and traditions. These tribes have lived in harmony with the forest for centuries, their lives deeply intertwined with the rhythms and cycles of the forest. The Amazon forest, it's a world within our world, a testament to the beauty and complexity of nature. It's a place where life thrives in every nook and cranny, where every day is a symphony of sounds, colors, and movements. The Amazon forest, a world within our world, teeming with life and mystery. Did you know that the Amazon forest is often referred to as the lungs of the earth? It's a moniker that's more than fitting, encapsulating the vital role this lush, verdant expanse plays in our global ecosystem. The Amazon forest isn't just a collection of trees, but a dynamic, breathing entity that serves as a key player in the global carbon cycle. As the trees and plants of this vast forest grow, they absorb carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas that contributes to global warming. Through a process known as photosynthesis, these green giants convert carbon dioxide into oxygen, releasing it back into the atmosphere. In fact, it's estimated that the Amazon alone generates more than 20% of the world's oxygen. But the Amazon's role extends beyond being an oxygen factory. It's also a carbon sink, storing immense quantities of carbon in its vegetation and soil. This storage capacity is staggering. It's believed that the Amazon forest holds more than 100 billion metric tons of carbon. That's the equivalent of a decade's worth of global carbon dioxide emissions from fossil fuels and industry. By locking away this carbon, the Amazon helps to stabilize our planet's climate, mitigating the effects of global warming. However, this balance is delicate. When trees are cut down or burned, the stored carbon is released back into the atmosphere, exacerbating climate change. Therefore, the protection and preservation of the Amazon forest isn't just about saving trees. It's about safeguarding the Earth's very life support system. So, the next time you take a deep breath, remember the Amazon. Its trees and plants work tirelessly day and night to produce the oxygen we breathe and absorb the carbon dioxide that would otherwise heat our planet. It's no wonder they've earned the title of the lungs of the Earth. Indeed, the Amazon forest plays a crucial role in keeping our planet healthy. Imagine a concert where every creature, big or small, plays a part in creating a symphony of life. This is the Amazon, an unparalleled spectacle of biodiversity, where the intricate melodies of life intertwine and resonate in a harmonious dance that has been ongoing for millions of years. In this bustling biological symphony, the Amazon reverberates with the chorus of countless species. Here, a myriad of plants unfurl their leaves to the sky, forming a verdant canopy that shelters a world teeming with life. From the smallest seed to the tallest tree, each plant plays a crucial role in this concert, providing food, shelter, and oxygen, in a cycle of life that never ceases. The Amazon symphony is also punctuated by the rhythmic beats of insects. These tiny yet essential players contribute to pollination, decomposition, and form the base of the food chain. They are the unsung heroes of the Amazon, the percussionists in this orchestra of life, maintaining the rhythm and pace of our world's most vibrant concerto. In the Amazon symphony, you'll also hear the harmonious trills of birds, the haunting calls of mammals, and the subtle hisses of reptiles. Each species adds a unique note to the melody, their lives intertwined in this complex ecosystem. They are the soloists, the melody makers, their songs echoing through the forest, adding depth and richness to the symphony. And let's not forget the myriad microorganisms, the unseen maestros conducting this concert from the soil and waters of the Amazon. They drive the nutrient cycles, break down the dead to nourish the living, and maintain the health and balance of this remarkable ecosystem. In the Amazon, every life form has a role to play, contributing to the balance and harmony of this incredible ecosystem. Each creature, each organism plays its part in this symphony, their voices joining together in a resounding chorus that celebrates the magic, the diversity, and the sheer wonder of life. Who are the true guardians of the Amazon forest? Nestled deep in the heart of the Amazon, far from the hustle and bustle of modern civilization, live indigenous tribes, the unsung heroes of this majestic forest. These tribes, with their ancient wisdom and traditions, live in a unique symbiotic relationship with the forest, one that has been nurtured over countless generations. They are the Yanomami, the Kayapo, the Tikuna, and many others, each with their unique customs and traditions, each an integral thread in the rich tapestry of the Amazon. They hunt, fish, and farm, always with respect for the forest that sustains them. They understand the rhythms of the forest, the subtle changes that signal the shifting seasons, the delicate balance of life and death in this complex ecosystem. Their life is not just about survival, it's about harmony. The forest is their home, their pantry, their pharmacy, and their sanctuary. They have learned to live with the forest, not against it, shaping their lives around its rhythms, its gifts, and its challenges. But their role goes beyond mere existence. They are the stewards of this vast green kingdom, the protectors of its diverse flora and fauna. They guard against overhunting and overfishing, ensuring the delicate balance of the ecosystem is maintained. They nurture the forest, planting trees, preserving the soil, maintaining the intricate web of life that thrives beneath the towering canopies. Their knowledge of the forest is invaluable. They know which plants can cure, which can kill, which can nourish, and which can harm. This wisdom, passed down through generations, is a treasure trove of information for scientists and conservationists alike. Yet their role is often overlooked, their voices drowned out in the clamor for progress and development. But it's time we listened, for they hold the wisdom of the forest, the secrets to its preservation. These indigenous communities, the true guardians of the Amazon, hold the key to its preservation. Yet, this paradise is at risk. The Amazon, this verdant spectacle of life, faces threats that could erode its very existence. The primary villain in this narrative is none other than deforestation. Vast tracts of this lush landscape are being razed to the ground every day, surrendering to the insatiable demands of agriculture, livestock, and urbanization. When these trees fall, they not only cease to produce oxygen but also release stored carbon dioxide, further exacerbating global warming. Illegal logging, a clandestine operation lurking in the shadows of the forest, is another significant threat. These unlawful activities rob the Amazon of its invaluable hardwood species, disrupting the delicate balance of this ecosystem. The silent cries of the forest echo in the hollow stumps left behind, a grim reminder of the damage inflicted. Mining, too, has scarred the face of the Amazon. The relentless quest for gold, copper, and other precious metals has led to the invasion of pristine territories, causing irreparable harm to the forest floor and polluting the rivers with toxic waste. This not only contaminates the water sources, but also poses a deadly threat to the aquatic life and the communities that depend on these rivers for survival. Last but not least, climate change, that invisible enemy, looms over the Amazon. With rising temperatures and shifting rainfall patterns, the forest's resilience is being tested. The increasing frequency of droughts and fires threatens the forest's ability to regenerate, pushing this vibrant haven closer to the brink of becoming a savanna. These threats are not isolated but interconnected, each amplifying the impacts of the other, creating a chain reaction of destruction. They not only jeopardize the survival of the millions of species that call the Amazon home, but also threaten the livelihoods of the indigenous communities that have lived in harmony with this forest for centuries. The future of the Amazon, and consequently our planet, hangs in the balance. So, what can we do to help protect the Amazon? The answer is simple, yet multifaceted. We can each play a role in safeguarding this priceless treasure. Firstly, we can choose to support sustainable practices. This extends from the products we buy to the food we consume. Opt for goods that are responsibly sourced, and where possible, Avoid products that contribute to deforestation. By doing so, we send a clear message to industries that we value the health of our planet over convenience and cost. Secondly, we can help by promoting the rights of the indigenous communities who call the Amazon home. These guardians of the forest have been protecting this biodiverse paradise for centuries. By supporting their fight for land rights, we help ensure their continued stewardship of the Amazon. Moreover, we can influence change at a governmental level. This may seem daunting, but it's as simple as voting for leaders who prioritize environmental conservation. We can also lobby for stricter regulations and penalties against illegal logging and deforestation. Reducing our carbon emissions is another powerful tool. The Amazon acts as a giant carbon sink, absorbing vast amounts of the carbon dioxide we produce. Yet, when trees are cut down, that carbon is released back into the atmosphere. By limiting our own carbon footprint, we help relieve the burden on the Amazon and slow the pace of global warming. Education is also key. By spreading awareness about the Amazon's vital role in our planet's health, we can inspire others to join the cause. Remember, every single action, no matter how small, contributes to the bigger picture. It could be as simple as sharing this video with friends and family, or as ambitious as organizing a community event to raise funds for Amazon conservation. The Amazon's future is not a distant concern. It's a present-day responsibility that we all share. It's about preserving a legacy for future generations, for the countless species that call the Amazon home, and for the very survival of our planet. Every action counts. The fate of the Amazon is in our hands. The Amazon forest, it's not just a forest, it's a vital organ of our planet, pulsating with life, shaping our climate and cradling a dizzying array of biodiversity. It's a living library of evolution, a testament to the intricacy of life on Earth. Yet, it's also the home of indigenous cultures, the custodians of this vast green sanctuary, who have lived in harmony with the forest for millennia. But the Amazon's heartbeat is faltering. The threats it faces, from deforestation to climate change, are not just local issues, but global crises. If the Amazon's heart stops beating, the repercussions will be felt around the world. The actions required to protect it are not mere suggestions, but imperatives. We must halt deforestation, respect the rights of indigenous peoples, and transition to sustainable practices. Because the Amazon is not just a forest. The Amazon forest, the heartbeat of our world, a treasure we must strive to protect for generations to come.